Joining us this morning from Simpson Dental, we have Dr. Kristen Simpson. Great to see you.
Hi, good to see you.
Yeah, so when patients come to see you, you have a whole team waiting there for them. So talk to us about your dental team.
Yes, well, since it's November, I always think of November as the time that we give thanks, and I'm just so thankful to be surrounded by such a great dental team. You know, these are the people that you actually do spend a majority of your life with because you're there every day with this group of people, and they just really are a great team, and they make providing the dentistry that we do just so amazing. So I just kind of want to go through and thank each of them individually and kind of talk a little bit about what they do for our team.
Yeah, what a sweet idea. Yeah, let's start with Dr. Mark and Connie.
Yes, so of course that's my mom and dad, and of course they help me throughout life immensely, but when it comes to the office, my mom she was a hygienist, but now she is our bookkeeper, so she makes sure that all the money is right coming in and out of the office and all our bills are paid. And then, of course, Dr. Mark helps me so much day to day. He is just such a great dentist, and he has such a gift for dentistry and a passion for it that really shows. So to have him giving me advice every day is just such a blessing. He's got such an eye for dentistry, and when it comes to complicated cases, he loves trying to design ways to fix things. So having him to talk cases through and be there to help me with the cases is just so great.
Oh yeah, and what about the people in your lab?
Yes, so our lab, we call them our tooth fairies because they're the ones that make each one of our cases. They are just such artists because it really is an art to make sure that each case is designed properly, that it fits the person that they're designing it for, because, you know, they're able to see the patient that's in the chair as they're designing these cases. So Judy, our main lab technician, she's been with our office for 36 years, so she's seen lots in dentistry and really is just a Mrs. Fix-It-All. She can really find ways to get the teeth to look exactly the way they need to look to fit a person's face and just be a really great outcome for that smile. And Jess, she's been with us about 22 years, so she's been there a while too, and she takes care of all our implants. So all of the parts and pieces with the implants, making sure we have all that stocked and ordered, and she takes care of our digital dentistry, our CEREC machine, so designing the cases on the computer, milling them out of the block of ceramic. And I mean, it's a great new thing in dentistry with getting these digital dentistry cases going, and she's really kept up with all of that. And Millie helps with the cases, just pouring the models and making sure that everyone stays on track in the lab. So all three of them work together really well to get our cases done.
Definitely. Now you have assistants and you have hygienists. Tell us a little bit about them as well.
We do. Yes, so our assistants are Autumn, Victoria, and Emily, and they are great with just making sure that they're communicating with the patients so that the patients feel comfortable in the chair. They explain the procedure that the patient's going to have for the day. They make sure to go over the post-operative instructions with them so they know how to take care of it at home once they leave that day. So they're just really great with making sure we have everything we need to do the case as well, and of course assisting throughout the whole procedure. So they really keep us going with providing that one-on-one treatment with the patients.
And your hygienists and front desk, you've got a whole crew there.
Yes, we do. Yeah, so the hygienists, of course, clean the teeth, and they are great with talking to the patients about home care. So Chris, Christy, and Kay are our hygienists, and they do a great job with, like I said, the home care, because, you know, when you're doing any case in dentistry, it's not going to work if the patient isn't taking care of it at home. So they make sure to talk to the patients about the importance of that home care so they can maintain their teeth that they get restored in our office.
Mm-hmm. And then did you mention the
Yes.
front desk people? Because those are the first people you see
The
when you
front
walk
desk.
in.
They are, yes. So Kara and Shelby are our front desk, and they're so great with multitasking, with greeting patients, answering phones, and they always have such a pleasant demeanor to them. I mean, even if it's the 100th call of the day, they make sure to answer all the questions that the patient has. And of course, like you said, they're the first impression that someone has of our office if they're calling, and they do a great job of making sure that the patient feels like they made the right choice in calling our office and that they get all of their questions answered and the appointment scheduled.
Wow. Well, Dr. Simpson, thanks for sharing who you're thankful for at
Of
Simpson
course,
Dental.
Yes, well, thank you.